Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be reviewing this nice little Bluetooth wireless speaker. So this is called the UE Mini Boom. There are several versions of this, but there's a bigger one, but this is just a smaller one that I chose. Pretty much I guess for the pricing, I didn't really see a bigger benefit to paying a higher price to the regular large Mini Boom. So I chose a regular boom. So I just got this one right off the bat, just your basic Bluetooth speaker. Just a little dirt there. It's gonna come with this nice matte black finish to it. It's gonna be, it's really nice because at least it's not, obviously it's not shiny, which is great because they, they're smart about that. They figured that they didn't want this to start, when you put it down, you don't want to scratch it, right? So you're gonna want to have something that's gonna be relatively matte color. So when you do place it down, whenever you do use it outdoors and things like that, you're not going to be worried about scratches. So it is a nice like rough finish to it. So even when you put it, it actually does not slide. You put it there, it kind of sits there by itself. Just the very top here. So what's going to happen is you have your basic volume button up, down, and this is pretty much how you connect your Mini Boom the first time. Once you connect it, once your phone already recognizes it, you can go ahead and you don't have to do that anymore. It'll just connect automatically. So in the back here, this is actually a really interesting thing, a little airway here. If you guys know anything about speakers, a lot of times there's two different enclosures. There's one that's completely enclosed and one that has an opening, a vent, and that pretty much alters the sound of it. You guys will hear in just a little bit how exactly that works out. This is going to be your on and off button. This is going to be if you want to plug it into, if you want to plug it in directly, and this is going to be your charging port. So let's see how this goes. So we're going to turn it on here first. Okay, you can see that. And you're gonna hear that, and then I'm gonna go to my phone, and I'm gonna use my Bluetooth, and I'm just gonna play. So it already connected. So if you look here, see, once you already have that the first time, this is gonna be on the Android model, on the Android phones. See, it's already there. UE Mini Boom, and you guys already heard that noise earlier. In terms of the range, I'm not exactly sure how far the range is, but I usually have it about maybe I've done 15 to 20 feet and I haven't had any issues with it at all. It's worked out really well, and a lot of times I just have my phone charging somewhere and I just connect it to this little box and it's all good to go. One word of caution though, and I don't have a problem with this, but just so you guys know, a lot of times when there's Bluetooth connectivity, if there's other products, other items connected to Bluetooth, sometimes that can interfere. I personally haven't had that experience, but just be aware of it because it is a Bluetooth connectivity. It's not through Wi-Fi or anything, it's through Bluetooth. You might experience some of those issues. What you can also do is, let me see if I still have it. There is an app that you can get for it. It's virtually useless. I personally haven't noticed any difference for it. That's why I had to pretty much just uninstall it. Oh, here it is. Okay. So let me show you guys how the app looks. So if you have two of them, you can actually connect them all together. Other than that, see right here, it just tells you what the battery level is. You can change the EQ settings. I don't play around there. I just left that alone by itself there. You can leave alert sounds. You can change your speaker away firmware, but that's pretty much it. I don't really use this actually ever. It would be nice if I had a second one, but until then, what I have now is pretty much good to go. Alright guys, so this was a nice review for the UE Mini Boom. Hope you guys enjoyed. Alright, thank you.